Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enhance your voice in Canva. So this is a pro feature. Let's just select this video and let's just add it to the canvas. So this is the video that I selected. To enhance your audio, it's super simple. Just select the volume button here and select enhance voice. And it's going to load for a few seconds, I'm hoping, to enhance the voice. Hopefully it will detect it, but this is on 20% now, and I'll be right back when it's done enhancing the voice on this video. Oh, never mind, I guess. I was about to pause it, but now it's on 100%. So this is what the audio will sound like after. It basically like removes the background noise. Here, I'll show you. Oops. I'll show you what it sounded before.
One enemy remaining.
So there's like this audio behind it, but this one doesn't have it.
Enemy remaining.
It only has like the voice of people talking, the sound of people talking, but that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!